Okay, we're going to video the sewer line after installing cleanouts and fixing broken spots in the main line. We hydro-jetted to the house and to the city main to ensure the line is clean and open. First, we're going to go towards the house. Okay, everything looks good that way. Now we'll pull out and we'll go towards the city main. Okay, now we're going from the clean out closest to the house to the city main. Okay, sewer line is open and draining at this time. Recommend every year preventive maintenance via snaking from the cleanouts to help keep the line open and clear.